Welcome to the Epoint Post tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to create item mapping into our order screen. Let's get started. Right-click. Hit the New Edit. Select the Item button option. Hit this button for item list selection. Hit the Erase icon to remove description. Key in stock code so our system able to filter for you. Select the item that you wish to do mapping. Saved it. You may change your preferred description. Increase the button height. Increase the font size. Tick the bold font checkbox. Hit the View Alternate Description button. Increase the font size as well. Saved it. It is done. Right-click, focus on existing item. Hit the New Edit. Select Color button. Saved it. Differentiate the menu and item color button. Let's proceed to next item button. Hit the Copy. Hit the Paste and Edit. Hit this button for item list selection. Select the next item. Confirmed. You may change your preferred description. Hit the View Alternate Description button. Saved it. It is done. Oops. I just realized we map in the wrong page. No worries, let me correct it. Right-click, focus on existing item. Hit the Copy. Hit the Menu button. Right-click. Select the Paste. Now go to main page, select the next item. Right-click. Hit the Copy. Hit the Menu button. Right-click. Select the Paste. It is done. Now back to main page to erase the buttons. Right-click. Hit the Erase. Confirmed. Right-click. Hit the Erase. Confirmed. It is done. Enjoy learning. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.